Hello and welcome to TestingTag. In this video, we will learn how to use some and any in English grammar. Some and any, these words are called quantifiers. They tell us about the amount of something. We use some when we talk about a small amount of something, but we don't say the exact number or quantity. It is used in two scenarios. First, with positive or affirmative sentences. I have some apples. I am not saying how many I have, but I have more than one apple. She bought some milk. Here, some tells us there is a certain amount of milk, but we don't know how much exactly. There are some books on the table. We also use some when making offers or polite requests. Would you like some tea? Here, some is used for an offer. Can I have some sugar, please? In this case, some is used for a request. Would you like some help? We use any in negative sentences. I don't have any apples. This means I have 0 apples. She doesn't have any money. Any shows that she has no money at all. There isn't any water in the bottle. No water is left in the bottle. Any is also used for asking questions. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Here, any is used to ask about a number. Is there any sugar in the kitchen? Did you buy any fruit? You may ask, can we use any in positive sentences? Yes, but only in special cases. We use any in positive sentences when it means it doesn't matter which one or every. You can take any book you like. It doesn't matter which one, just pick one from the collection. She can call me anytime. This means every time is okay. You may choose any color. There is no restriction on specific colors. Now it's time for a fun quiz. Fill in the blanks with some or any. That's it for this lesson. I hope you now understand when to use some and any in English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TestingTag for more educational content. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.